Page 35. Gardening tools and actions. Listen and practice the words.
Mow the lawn. Plant vegetables. Plant flowers. Water the flowers. Rake leaves. Trim the hedge. Prune the bushes. Weed. Lawnmower. Gas can. Line trimmer. Shovel. Vegetable seeds. Hoe. Trowel. Wheelbarrow. Fertilizer. Garden hose. Hose. Nozzle. Sprinkler. Watering can. Rake. Leaf blower. Yard waste bag. Hedge clippers. Clippers. Hedge trimmer. Pruning shears. Weeder.
Page 35. Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
Hi, are you busy?
Yes, I'm mowing the lawn.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
What are you looking for?
The lawnmower.
Page 35. Additional conversations. Now listen to the additional conversations and then practice them using any words in the lesson you wish.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to plant vegetables. Can I borrow your shovel?
Sure.
Pages 36 and 37. Places around town. 1. Listen and practice the words.
Bakery. Bank. Barber shop. Bookstore. Bus station. Candy store. Car dealership. Card store. Child care center. Daycare center. Cleaners. Dry cleaners. Clinic. Clothing store. Coffee shop. Computer store. Convenience store. Copy center. Delicatessen. Deli. Department store. Discount store. Donut shop. Drugstore. Pharmacy. Electronics store. Eye care center. Optician. Fast food restaurant. Flower shop. Florist. Furniture store. Gas station. Service station. Grocery store.
Page 37. Model conversation. Listen and practice the conversation.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the bakery.
Page 37. Additional conversations. Now listen to the additional conversations and then practice them using any words in the lesson you wish.
Hi, how are you today?
Fine. Where are you going?
To the bank. How about you?
I'm going to the drugstore.
Oh no, I can't find my wallet.
Did you leave it at the bookstore?
Maybe I did.